It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in Dussel, York City. It's Ken here, and guess what? Today we are gonna have a little fun. As you can tell, I've got some decorations up, and I'm wearing an ugly Christmas sweater. Okay, maybe it's not so ugly. Donald rocks in my opinion, but you know what? We are gonna have a good time today. I got a box in the mail from the cool people at Elgato. Check out that logo right there, very cool. And I have no idea what's inside, but I think you and I should take a peek and see what they sent me because I am curious. Elgato, what's in this box? Let's find out. Okay, here we go. Well, first we need my trusty scissors. I can't go anywhere without them. And I'm just gonna make a little incision right there and right there. That was easy. Not too much tape today, thank goodness. I'm gonna move these out of the way. And I'm just gonna, oh, okay. What's going on here? There is some cool Elgato paper right there. Wait, what? Wait, no. You guys, this is insane. There's a black box. And I think I recognize what this might be. This could be insanely cool. Right there it says empowering content creators, and that right there is a dead giveaway. I think, do you guys know what this is? I can already guess. How do I open this? What do I do? Where's it open up at? Ah, it's magnetic. Oh, that's a nice box. Ooh, tell your story, share your vision, be seen, Elgato. True HD 60 quality, Sony Starvis Cosmos sensor, Elgato Prime lens. Oh, you know what? I know what this is. This is sick. This is awesome, Elgato. Uncompressed video, onboard flash memory. You guys are kidding me. No way. No way. Check this out right here. What did they do? It is the Elgato Facecam. Are you really? Are you guys shitting me? This is cool. This is awesome. This is really cool because I actually have been wanting a new camera, and I'm gonna use this on my streams for Adobe on Behance. You know that. You know that's what this is gonna be used for, is for the streaming and creating content. This is awesome. Oh my God, Elgato, you guys rock. I'm just gonna sit this down right here and we'll just see what else is in the box. Ooh, look at this. A little Elgato exclusive collector pin with the Facecam on there. How dope is that? Ooh, an Elgato branded cleaning pad with a little logo right there. Very, very nice. And information, the ultimate webcam, I would say so. With the Elgato Prime lens, I've read all about this on their website. This is really cool, and I've watched the videos too. Optical superior, custom heat sink, state-of-the-art sensor, seamless mounting. Oh my God, this is awesome. Advanced image engine, flash memory, high-speed circuitry, crafted for creators, you know. And you know, hey, some of us gamers are creators on top of that. Graphic design, wow, you know, this is cool. This is gonna rock my world. And then getting started, how to set it up, right there, awesome. And technical specifications, this is cool. Now my guess, this is the cord right there. You guys, this is even smarter. This is smart. It is not just a cord, it is a cord that is wrapped. Like, it has that nice nylon mesh around it. That means it is not gonna break that easily. This is die hard. That is cool. So anything else in here? Is that it? That is hot. Look at this. This is Elgato. Oh my God, like, you guys are the best. Facecam. I am ready to play with this. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, let's take a closer look at everything that came in this nifty box right here. First, we have the collector's pen. Check this out. This is really cool. This could even be pinned on the side of a hat. By the way, guys, I love trucker hats. If you ever want to know, I am a big fan of trucker hats with cool logos. So this is really dope. I love that. And then here, check this out. Here is the cord, and as you can see, it's got that mesh on it, that fabric. And that's so much smarter than having just rubber, because it will last longer. Cords with that tend not to break. That is super smart, Elgato. Loving that. And then here is the Elgato cloth to clean the lens. That is so nice. I don't even think my other camera came with that. Like my fancy cameras that I use for photo shoots came with cloths, of course, and then I've gotten a few others over the year, but none of my webcams have ever come with this. This is appreciated. This is awesome. And then we have the Facecam little book that came with it, and I love this matte black. It's so pretty. This is really cool. So again, you have the, whoops, go to page 1. Right there, the ultimate webcam. And again, you guys should check out their website for sure, or go to YouTube and check out the videos on this camera, because it is pretty awesome. So it says, introducing Facecam professional optics in a webcam form factor, perfectly engineered to make you look amazing. You know, I need that because I'm not a supermodel. I'm not a glamorous influencer. So this is really nice. And right there you can see the Elgato prime lens right there. And I know they show this on the website as well too. This is really great. 8 elements, all glass with an f2.4 aperture and focal length of 24 millimeters. Because of superb video requires studio quality optics. Full frame equivalent. I love that. Aspherical surface, low dispersion glass, quadruple anti-reflection coating. That's cool. That's important. And an IR cut filter. And then you have the optically superior center, it's optically superior. I'm so excited that I'm tongue-tied. You have the custom heat sink, state-of-the-art sensor, the seamless mounting right there as well too, and you can unscrew that and put it on a tripod or an arm. And right there you have the advanced image engine, an ultra-fast processor that works smarter to make your video look beautiful, and manual control so you can dial in the look you're going for, just like a DSLR. I love that. That's cool. That's awesome. And then it says manual exposure, millions of calculations per millisecond. And then you have the flash memory right there. Save settings directly to your camera. That's cool. And then high speed quality with that USB 3.0 interface. That is nice. And the USB-C connector as well too. Crafted for creators. And I tell you what, this is going to be used for my streams for Adobe, and also when I do live speeches as well too, and lectures for conferences, because I get invited to things. In fact, I'll be doing one in January, guys. I'll be doing one in January for Adobe in the Philippines, live on the computer. They're not flying me, unfortunately. It's Corona time, but what can you do? And then getting started, you know how to get it all done. You can download the information right there as well too, the app, and get that installed. And then, you know, if you want to put the stand on your computer, you can do that, or you can twist it off and put it on an arm or a tripod. And then it says for optical image quality, position yourself within 1 meter or 3.2 feet of the camera. Don't worry, I will do that, but sometimes I lean in. I'm excited. This is cool. And then how to remove the privacy cap. That's nice, because that way you can have your cap on. I think that's really nice. My other camera doesn't have a privacy cap, and in today's day and age, you probably need one. All right. You can connect Facecam directly to a USB 3.0 or better port on your PC or Mac. Do not use a USB hub, guys. It says do not use a hub. Okay? All right, and only use the supplied USB 3.0 cable or an equivalent or better. And then clean the lens with a microfiber cloth, which they gave us, and do not use paper towels. Hey guys, if you've ever held a camera, don't ever put paper towels or a harsh surface against the lens. But I think that's nice that they say that. And you can use it with Zoom, Skype, MS Teams, Slack, OBS, Google Meet, Slobs, FaceTime, and other applications or platforms. This is really cool. And then there's the technical specifications right there. And right here we have the camera. Look at that. We're gonna do a little modeling right now. I think we're at the fashion runway at Fashion Week. Ooh, bam, there's Elgato Facecam. That looks awesome. Right there you can see where we're gonna be plugging her in, and right there. And we can take this off. Just spin that there, and then we can put a tripod or whatever we want right there, put it on an arm, depending on your preference. I like that Elgato is thinking future forward, that you can mount this several different ways. And then you have this right here. Let me see if I can just pop this off. Right there, look at that sexy lens. Hello, smile for the camera. Where's my close-up?
All right, Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up.
I tell you what, this is awesome. This is really cool. And I love this that, you know what, not just for privacy, you can pop the lens filter or the lens cap back on, and then it doesn't get as dirty, I would imagine. So that's cool. I'm just gonna slide that back on there just like this and pop it back in. Boom. That is awesome. Elgato, this is a super cool Christmas present. This is amazing. And like I said, I'm gonna put this bad boy to work. It is gonna get its use for sure. Thank you, Elgato. You guys rock. And as always, to everybody who's watching, happy creating. I have to point at the camera and say it. And also, Merry Christmas from Dussel, York City. I hope you have an amazing time. I know I'll be enjoying it with my wife and my little doggy, Rue. So guys, again, happy creating. Enjoy your holidays.